This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can set a custom file naming on this drone. So to start, from the Go Fly interface of your DJI Fly app, launch settings by tapping at the three horizontal dots at the top right. Next, select the camera category on top, scroll all the way to the bottom, or almost all the way to the bottom, and look for the custom file naming. Tap on it, use this text field to input the desired custom ending that will be automatically added to all the files you'll create with this drone, all the recordings you'll have, photos, videos, anything. And that's about it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye bye.